Shoe mount flashes are an essential tool for photographers who need to add extra light to their shots. There are many products available to choose shoe mount flashes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best shoe mount flashes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Neewer TT560 Flash Speedlight. The Neewer TT560 Flash Speedlight is a versatile accessory for your DSLR or digital camera with a standard hot shoe. It features a vertical rotation angle of 0 to 90 degrees and horizontal rotation angle of 0 to 270 degrees, with 8 steps of power output control indicated by 8 LED pieces. It is compatible with Canon, Nikon, Panasonic, Olympus, Pentax, Fujifilm, and Sony with Mi Hot Shoe cameras and has a power management system with a charging indicator lamp. However, it does not support TTL or camera menu setting function. Number 2. Photolex FK300 Camera Flash Speedlight. The Photolex Speedlight Camera Flash is a high-performance shoe-mount flash compatible with various digital and film SLR cameras. It has a guide number of 35 and can output up to 150 lux of continuous light. It features manual mode, S1, and S2 wireless flash trigger modes, a metal hot shoe, power-saving automatic shutdown function, and automatic save function. The flash unit has 8 steps of power output control, which is indicated by 8 pieces of LED lamp for different levels. The package includes a protective pouch, a stand, and an instruction manual. Number 3. F1 Mini Camera Flash Speedlight. The Medialite F1 Flash is a compact and versatile mini camera flash designed to enhance your photography experience. With 4 adjustable power settings, you can easily choose the right output for your needs, whether capturing portraits or close-ups. Its rechargeable battery and Type-C charging make it convenient to use without worrying about running out of power. The universal hot shoe mount allows compatibility with various digital and film cameras, making it a great accessory for photographers. Plus, its lightweight design ensures portability, so you can take it anywhere without hassle. Number 4. Godox Lux Junior Retro Camera Flash. The Godox Lux Junior Retro Camera Flash is a vintage-style, lightweight, and compact flash that is compatible with all camera types. It has easy-to-use modes, including A mode to calculate proper exposure and M mode for creative possibilities. With 7 power levels and a color temperature of 6000 K plus or minus 200 K, it is perfect for street photography and embracing diversified aesthetics. It also has S1/S2 optical control in M manual flash mode. Note that it does not have TTL function or 2.4G wireless control. Number 5. Photolex LCD Camera Flash Speedlight. The Photolex Speedlight FK300 is a powerful camera flash with a high guide number, ensuring reliable flash output and consistent daylight color temperature. It supports manual mode and wireless flash trigger modes for flexibility. The flash unit includes 8 steps of power output control, allowing you to adjust according to your needs. Additionally, it comes with a test flash function for quick checks. With the Photolex Speedlight FK300, you get a versatile and user-friendly flash for enhancing your photography experience.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.